hand. Stand by. Put the guns down now!
A story from right here in Central Florida that made national headlines. A 14-year-old girl accused of sparking a shootout with Volusia County deputies. Well, that teen was in court today and is being tried as an adult.
But a couple outside the courtroom says they want to adopt her. Fox 35's Amanda McKenzie spoke with the couple.
The husband and wife tell me they've been communicating with 14-year-old Nicole Jackson for the past 2 months over the phone while she's behind bars and have expressed their interest in one day adopting her.
14-year-old Nicole Jackson sits handcuffed in court as a judge explains the next step in her case. She's charged as an adult for attempted first-degree murder of a law enforcement officer. Just outside the courtroom are Dan and Shauna Willis, two people who up until 2 months ago were complete strangers to the teenage girl.
We want to help her out, and if something happens where she is acquitted or let go, I assume that she would go back into the foster system. We would prefer that, you know, if adopting her would keep her out of that system, then we would do that.
Last summer, investigators say Jackson and a 12-year-old boy ran away from a children's home and broke into another home where they armed themselves with guns found inside. Jackson and the boy are accused of opening fire on deputies. The deputies ended up shooting Jackson after they say she pointed a gun at them.
In talking with her, we don't feel that she has any mental issues, so we haven't noticed anything like that from talking with her. So no, I don't think that there's anything mental going on. Yeah, I think that the system has failed her, and we don't want to see her go back into the system.
The couple says they have not reached out to the boy and do not talk with Nicole about her case.
She has our phone numbers and she can call from the jail. So she calls us from time to time. We send messages. There's a text message system through the jail system, so we text back and forth. The biggest thing that she tells us is that she's not allowed outside.
Loves beach. She loves she loves dogs, and just, you know, being a child, she's a very smart person. Has a good heart. She's just trying to get by day-to-day life.
As of yet, none of them have met or seen each other in person.
Did you go inside?
No, we did not, because we weren't allowed to come in.
No,
So,
they won't let you in without a mask. So
that's how much our rights are being taken away from us. So.
The next time Nicole Jackson will be in court will be for a case management conference in February. Reporting in Daytona Beach, Amanda McKenzie, Fox 35 News.